AXTI stock analysis and AXTI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. AXT Incorporated, it's already $2.41 with a 19% increase in price. What I'm going to do, let's actually just get rid of that. Yeah, so the previous idea was on point. Yeah, it didn't reach the supply, but it did clear the lows out, which is the whole idea behind it. And technically, it's still in a supply zone. So how am I going to manage? How am I going to, figure out what to do here? Well, since it's pumping up quite hard, there's frankly nothing stopping me from doubling down even more in this beautiful bullish buy. I mean, saying that it's a buy, very subjective, and in my case, it's not a buy unless the confirmation is actually met. So, yeah, I'll definitely keep you updated with it. I do have like AXTI. I don't know if it's gonna pop up here. Yeah, no, it doesn't pop up in the Discord, but if you do want to stay tuned with AXTI and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.